Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play Block Blast. Make sure to stick around until the end, learn all the basics and tips to get started with this addictive puzzle game. Let's dive in. First things first, let's start a game. When you launch Block Blast, you will see this home screen. Now here you can choose which one you would like to play, whether it's Adventure or Classic. In my case, I'm going with Classic. Now here's the game board, a grid where you will place different colored blocks. Your goal is to fit the blocks into the grid, creating complete rows or columns to clear them from the board. The more rows or columns you clear in one move, the higher your score. And at the bottom of the screen, you will see a set of blocks. These blocks comes in various shapes and colors, similar to the pieces from a puzzle. Now tap and drag each block to the board and drop it in the place. You cannot rotate the block, so think carefully about where you place them. And once you placed a block, it stays on the board. Now the key to success is to keep placing blocks in a way that fills up entire rows or columns. When you fill a complete row or column, it will clear from the board like this and giving you points and freeing up space for more blocks. As you continue placing blocks, your score will increase based on how many rows or columns you clear at once. The more you clear in a single row, the bigger your score boost. So keep an eye on the available space and try to create combos by clearing multiple rows or columns in a single turn. And one important thing to remember, if you run out of space and cannot place any more blocks, the game is over. That is why it is crucial to plan ahead and keep your board as clear as possible. And when the game ends, your final score will be displayed. Challenge yourself to beat your high score each time you play. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.